From the QA archive. Sanity testing. Explained in 60 seconds. In simple terms, sanity testing is a quick test performed after a small change or bug fix to verify that the affected functionality works correctly and that the update didn't break key features.
Example: if a form's zip code field was modified, a sanity test might include: the form accepts a valid zip code. The form rejects an invalid zip code. The form detects when no zip code has been entered. The sanity test only check areas affected by the code change.
When is it used? Sanity testing is often performed after bug fixes, after minor code changes, before running a full regression test. Typically, sanity tests are quick and targeted and often unscripted. The QA archive.